Good afternoon, students. Welcome to English class 10th standard. That is, today we are going to discuss the second poem, Abraham Lincoln's letter to his son's teacher. Here, Abraham Lincoln wrote a letter to the son's teacher. What are all the matter the teacher has to be taught in the taught for his son? Abraham Lincoln, you know, the president of America. He wrote a letter to his son's teacher. So उसके बच्चे को क्या पढ़ाना? So harsh realities of life. Harsh realities of life. जीवन के बहुत ही कटु सत्य, harsh realities. एक बहुत reality रहते, but that is very what we are going to say. दुखी ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. So your parents are very carefully chosen a school for you. हमारे पेरेंट्स भी बहुत अच्छे स्कूल आपके लिए चॉइस करे होंगे. What do you think are their expectation from the school? Discussing this. So पेरेंट्स को क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन रहता स्कूल से? हमारे बच्चों को स्कूल में अच्छे पढ़ाना. They should get the good marks. Every teacher should love to his children. Everything should be solved in the every problem should be solved in the school. हर एक समस्या उसका पूरा करना वहां पे. So he must to be a higher bid. एक पढ़ लिखे एक बहुत ही अच्छा आदमी बनना सोसाइटी में. ये एक हर एक माँ बाप का, हर एक पेरेंट्स का ख्वाहिश करता है. Here, what is the main thing of the Abraham Lincoln's to write a letter is he should know the harsh realities of life. जीवन के सत्य क्या है बोल के उसके बेटा को पहचान करने का रहता है. So that must be taught in the school. वो क्या है पूरे स्कूल में पढ़ाना, उसके बच्चे को क्या क्या पढ़ाना बोल के यहाँ पे उन्होंने उसके टीचर को लेटर लिख रहे. Let us see. He will have to learn. I know that all men are not just. He will have to learn. क्या सीखना मेरे बच्चे ने स्कूल में? I know that all men are not just. सभी एक जैसे नहीं रहते. हमारे फिंगर्स है एक जैसे नहीं है, तो फिर सभी एक जैसे कैसे रह सकते हैं? ये हमारा एक ही हाथ, हमारा ही हाथ है. हमारे हाथ में lot of differences in the fingers. So how can the other people? तो सभी एक रहने में एक कैसा रह सकते हैं? I know that all men are not just. All men are not true. सभी लोग सत्य बोलने वाले लोग ही नहीं है दुनिया में. All men are not just true. सभी क्या है? सत्य बोलने वाले ही नहीं है. ये सब मेरे बच्चे को बताना. These are the harsh realities of the life. Is it true or not? No men are equal. सभी इक्वल रहते के क्लास में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 15 students are there. All are same. Each we can have 15 characters. If 15 to 20 students are there means 15 to 20 characters we have. एक के जैसा और एक बच्चा नहीं रहता, और एक के जैसा और एक नहीं रहता. सो हर एक का कैरेक्टर क्या है? डिफरेंट रहता. All men are not just. All men are not true. सभी सत्य ही बोलते. क्या 15 स्टूडेंट्स है समझो, 15 के 15 ट्रूथ बोलते क्या? नो. नेक्स्ट लाइन. But teach him also that for every scoundrel there is a hero. उसको ये भी पढ़ाओगे हर एक स्काउंडल मीन्स बैड पर्सन. बहुत सारे बैड पर्सन में एक अच्छा आदमी भी रहता. That is the harsh reality of life. हर हर बुरे लोगों में भी एक अच्छा आदमी रहता है, वो सिखाना मेरे बच्चों को। यस, दैट इज द रियलिटी ऑफ लाइफ। फॉर एवरी स्काउंडल देयर इज अ हीरो, दैट फॉर एवरी सेल्फिश पॉलिटिशियन देयर इज अ डेडिकेटेड लीडर। See how he is going to imagine for every selfish politician, हर एक सेल्फिश पॉलिटिशियन में एक अच्छा डेडिकेटेड लीडर भी है। लाइक वी कैन टेक एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम। तो वो स्वार्थी थे, अपने लिए कुछ करते थे क्या एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम? नो, completely he is going to dedicate towards the nation. So for every selfish politician, हर एक selfish politician के पीछे एक dedicated leader भी रहता है। वैसा सिखाना मेरे बच्चे को। This is the letter written by Abraham Lincoln to his son's teacher. मेरे बच्चे को ऐसा पढ़ाना, that is also real. So many selfish politicians are there. उसमें क्या है, एक अच्छा लीडर भी रहता। सो डेडिकेटेड लीडर, नॉट ओनली अब्दुल कलाम, सो मेनी डेडिकेटेड लीडर्स आर देयर। टीच हिम फॉर एवरी एनिमी देयर इज अ फ्रेंड। फॉर एवरी एनिमी, एनिमी मीन्स दुश्मन। हर एक एनिमी, फॉर एवरी एनिमी देयर इज अ फ्रेंड। फॉर एवरी एनिमी देयर इज अ फ्रेंड। What is the meaning? For every enemy there is a friend. बहुत लो है, एनिमीज बहुत सारे हैं, बट उसमें एक अच्छा फ्रेंड भी है। For every enemy there is a friend. It will take time. ये सब पढ़ाने के लिए बहुत वक्त लगता, बच्चों को इतना जल्दी मालूम नहीं होता। So we are telling that all the politicians are selfish. So why he wants to tell these to the from the teacher? वो अपने खुद भी सिखा सकते थे अपने बच्चों को, but the mentality of the students, the mentality of the children is whatever the teacher used to speak, that is the truth. They will believe it very easily. So Abraham Lincoln wants that for every selfish leader there is a dedicated leader, for every scoundrel there is a hero, for every enemy there is a friend. But teach him if you can. It will take time, I know, but teach him if you can that a dollar earned is of far more value than 5 pounds. Teach him to learn to loss. This is there in the old book. I hope somewhat changes is there in the new book. And also to enjoy winning. Loss. Envy means enemy. Teach him to learn to lose. And also to enjoy winning. हारने का भी, हारे तो भी दुख नहीं होना। एंड टीच हिम टू लर्न एंजॉय विनिंग, जीते तो भी वो जीतने का खुशी मनाना। हाँ, आ गए बोल के दुखी नहीं होना, वैसा सिखाना। द टीचर हैज टू टीच इन दिस वे। द टीचर हैज टू टीच इन दिस वे एंड आल्सो टू एंजॉय विनिंग। Steer him away from envy. Steer means guide. Steer, guide or direct. उसको ऐसा गाइड करोगे, ऐसा डायरेक्ट करोगे। Steer him away from envy. What is the meaning of envy? Ill will, jealousy, longing. Longing means belongings, selfishness. Steer him away from, away, वो किससे दूर रहना, किससे दूर रहना? वो jealousy, दूसरों के देख के कभी भी जलस नहीं होना, उससे दूर रहना। लॉन्गिंग्स, मुझे ये होना, ख्वाहिशें, needs we can say. My son should be very far away from this one, away from the envy. If you can, अगर आपको हुआ तो ऐसा सिखा दो मेरे बच्चे को. He must be away from envy, that longing and jealousy. Jealousy से दूर रहना, longing से दूर रहना means need. Today if we have fulfilled our need means then tomorrow we are going to ask some more. अगर हमारे ख्वाहिशें आज पूरे हो गए तो कल हम कुछ मांगने वाले हैं. कल का ख्वाहिश पूरा हो गए तो then परसों we are going to get something. So that is longings. इससे दूर रहना मेरे बच्चे. If you can, you teach like this. अगर आपसे हुआ तो ऐसा teach करो. Teach him the secret of quiet laughter. Laughing is very necessary in life. These are the harsh realities of life. I told you in the beginning. हंसना भी बहुत जरूरी है जिंदगी में. क्वाइट हंसना जरूरी है बोले तो 24 hours हंसे तो that is wrong. That is the reason Abraham Lincoln told that quiet laughter, थोड़ा बहुत हंसना. Teach him the secret of quiet laughter. Let him learn early that the bullies are the easiest to lift. Bullies means the person who uses his or her strength to frighten or hurt weaker people. अपने स्ट्रेंथ को यूज करके जो बच्चे वीक रहता उसके ऊपर दबाव डालना. Teach him the secret of quiet laughter. Next to that, let him learn early that, बहुत जल्दी सीखना कि क्या है, the bullies are the easiest to lick. Means we should not. The meaning is the person who uses his or her strength to frighten. दूसरों को धमकी देना. Because I am strong, I can do anything. मैं बहुत ही स्ट्रांग हूँ, कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. बोल के पूरे क्लास को कंट्रोल करना. ऐसे भी बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं. That is the reason this is the harsh realities of life. Real है. Whatever this is there in the Abraham Lincoln's letter, all are real facts. Teach him if you can. अगर आपसे हो सके तो ये पढ़ाओ. The wonder of books. So many wonderful books are there to read, to get the knowledge. बहुत सारे ऐसे बुक्स है, उससे बहुत हमको नॉलेज आ जाता. The wonder of books, but also give him quite time to ponder the eternal mystery of birds in the sky. तो पूरे 24 hours पढ़े तो भी the mind is not going to be constant. So give some time to see the nature. Give some time to see the nature. प्रकृति के और देखने के लिए भी थोड़ा समय उसको देना. Because we know that nature is too beautiful, gorgeous it is. So उसको देखने के लिए हमारे पास वक्त नहीं है. हमारे पास किसके लिए वक्त है? Only to see the mobiles or TV. So what the poet is telling, Abraham Lincoln is telling that give some time to look at the nature. प्रकृति को देखने के लिए भी थोड़ा समय दे दो उसको. Then to ponder the eternal mystery of birds in the sky. In the sky, the birds are flying very beautifully. बहुत सुंदर बर्ड्स फ्लाई हो रहे हैं यहाँ पे. उसको देखने के लिए थोड़ा वक्त दे दो. Bees in the sun and the flowers on the green hillside. Bees in the sun, the honey bee. See how nicely it's going to construct. and the flowers on the green hillside. So many wonderful flowers are there on the hillside. For example, daffodils. In the school, teach him it is for honorable to fail than to cheat. और एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है, ऑनरेबल से फेल होना बट चीट नहीं करना, फेल होना बट चीट नहीं करना। बहुत सारे बच्चों की दिमाग ऐसा रहता है, इधर से देख के थोड़ा लिखना, इधर से देख के थोड़ा लिखना, सो ही इज गोइंग टू पास हिमसेल्फ, अपने आप पास हो जाता वो, थोड़ा इधर से थोड़ा इधर से थोड़ा सामने से थोड़ा पीछे से देखे तो ही कैन पास, बट व्हाट नॉलेज ही इज गोइंग टू गेट। तो अब्राहम लिंकन ने क्या बता रहे हैं यहाँ पे टीचर को, ऐसा एजुकेशन मत सिखाओ, ऐसा रियलिटी मत सिखाओ, ऐसा सिखाओ कि चीटिंग करने से बेटर है फेल हो जाना। दैट इज ट्रू, चीटिंग करने से बेटर है फेल हो जाना, ऑनरेबली ऑनर से फेल होना, बट डोंट चीट, honorable to fail than to cheat. Teach him to have faith in his own ideas. Teach him to have faith in his own ideas. अपने आप पे faith रखना, मेरे ideas क्या है उस पे faith रखना। Even if everyone tells him they are wrong, सभी बता देंगे कि वो wrong है, फिर भी क्या करना, he should faith on himself, वैसा सिखाना, वैसा कॉन्फिडेंट बढ़ाना बच्चों में। Even if everyone tells him they are wrong, सभी बता रहे कि you are wrong, but he should have faith on him that I am right. That confident he should grow in the school. वैसा कॉन्फिडेंट बढ़ाना स्कूल में। Teach him to be gentle with gentle people and tough with the tough people. ये बहुत necessary है. That is the reason at the initial stage only I have told you these are the harsh realities of life. Gentle, अच्छे के साथ अच्छे रहना, बुरों के साथ बुरा रहना। ये अच्छे स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं, सबके साथ अच्छे रहते हैं, but the other students they will take the misuse of that. So यहाँ पे अब्राहम लिंकन ने क्या बता रहे, जेंटल विद जेंटल, टफ विद टफ। टफ लोगों के साथ, बुरे लोगों के साथ बुरे बर्ताव करना और अच्छे लोगों के साथ अच्छे बर्ताव करना। टीच हिम टू बी जेंटल विद जेंटल पीपल एंड टफ विद द टफ पीपल। ट्राई टू गिव माय सन, और क्या देना, ट्राई टू गिव माय सन the strength not to follow the crowd. Strength, I should have strength not to follow the crowd. सभी क्या कर रहे हैं बोल के मैं उसको फॉलो नहीं करता। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 20 स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर, 19 क्या बता रहे थे, यही सही आंसर है, A and B are there. Options are there. 19 students are telling that A answer is right, but only one student is telling that B answer is right. So इसमें सभी ये कोई A आंसर कोई राइट बोल रहे बोल के मैं भी A नहीं बोलना। Don't follow the crowd. सभी बोल रहे बोल के मैं नहीं बताना यहाँ पे। I know that B answer is right, so I should tell answer B. मुझे पता है कि बी आंसर सही है, मैं बी ही बोलूं। आई शुड नॉट गो फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स, डोंट गो विद द क्राउड, सबके साथ मत जाओ। यू शुड हैव फेथ ऑन योरसेल्फ, खुद पे फेथ रखना। आई नो दैट बी आंसर इज, मुझे पता है बी आंसर, बट सभी यही बोल रहे, मैं अकेला ही बी बोल रहे हैं, ऐसा रहता बच्चों के लिए। So don't go with the crowd. Follow the crowd. When everyone is getting on the bandwagon, the meaning of bandwagon is any popular or fashionable activity. Fashionable activity. When everyone is getting on the bandwagon, teach him to listen to all men. But teach him also to filter all he hears on a screen of truth. Bandwagon means all fashionable activities. So nowadays, the children they have changed tremendously because of the generation or because of mobile, mass media. So what the Abraham Lincoln is telling that he should listen all the hearings. सभी क्या क्या बोलते हैं वो सब सुनना. सभी सुन के क्या करना? But teach him to listen of all men, but teach him also to filter all he hears. मैं क्या क्या सुना वो बोल के पूरा फिल्टर करना. उसके बाद on a screen of truth, then we have to judge which is the truth. That is your duty to judge the truth. पूरा सुनने के बाद you have to judge the truth. Truth क्या है बोल के judgment लेना. You alone should take that judgment. But teach him also to filter all the ears on a screen of truth. And next, and take only the good that comes through. Teach him if you can. Whatever he is going to hear, take only good things. So many things are there, we can't hear that one. So don't hear that. जो आपको सुनने का नहीं है, जो मत सुनो. Whatever you are going to listen, that you should listen with the good things. अच्छा ही सुनना. Teach if you can. अगर आपसे हो सके तो ऐसा teach करो. How to laugh when he is sad. दुखी है तो कैसा उससे बाहर आना. अगर बहुत दुखी है तो कैसा उससे बाहर आना. Teach him there is no shame in tears. बहुत दुख होने के बाद बहुत ही रोना आता. तो सामने से एक फ्रेंड आता, तो फ्रेंड के सामने रोने के लिए बहुत शर्म आता. बिकॉज फ्रेंड टीज करते और एक को जाके बताते कि ऐसा ये रो रहा था क्लास में. सो डोंट शेम ऑफ दैट. मुझे रोना आ रहा तो रो लेना. सो डोंट शेम ऑफ टीयर्स. How to laugh when he is sad. Teach him there is no shame in tears. Teach him to scoff at cynics. Scoff at cynics means scoff means to make fun of. Cynic means a person who has low opinion of most people and most things. Make fun of. थोड़ा फन करना, हंसी मजाक करना, वो भी सीखना. And to be aware of too much sweetness. This is very dangerous. Too much sweetness. Be aware of too much sweetness. Because that is very dangerous. You all know. बहुत sweet है. एक दो फ्रेंड्स रहता, बहुत ही क्लोज रहते, एक दिन बहुत बड़ा झगड़ा. सो बी अवेयर ऑफ टू मच स्वीटनेस. तो एक रहता बहुत ही स्वीट बात करता है. सो द वेल पर्सन ही इज गोइंग टू बिलीव ऑन हिम, बट ही इज नॉट लाइक दैट एज ही यूज्ड टू स्पीक सो स्वीटली. जितना वो स्वीट से बातें कर रहा वैसा नहीं रहता. सो डोंट बिलीव टू मच स्वीटनेस. And be aware of too much sweetness. Teach him to sell his brown. What's the meaning of brown here? B-R-A-W-N. The meaning of brown is muscular strength. तुम्हारा strength. Teach him to sell his brown. You say something to the others, your knowledge, your strength. I break to the highest bidders. use your brain as much as possible. Highest bidder means as much as possible. तुम्हारे दिमाग कहाँ तक यूज करना, जहां तक तुम उसको ठीक कर सकते. हाईएस्ट बिडर यू कैन यूज, जहां तक यूज कर सकते वहां तक यूज करना. यूज योर ब्रेन. So if there is no work, the brain will also become empty. So don't give work to the brain and think as much as possible, but never to put a price tag on his soul. Highest bidders, but never put a price tag on his soul. Bidder means one who offers to buy something at an occasion. Teach him, but never to put a price tag on his soul. किसी के दूसरों की भावनाओं को we should not put a price. Teach him to close his ears to the bowling mob and to stand and fight if he thinks he is right. If I think that I am right, so I have to fight. मैं सही हूँ बोले तो I have to fight. Treat him gently, but do not cuddle him. उतना gently treat करो, but cuddle means to hold close to the body. Teach him gently, but don't cuddle him, because only the test of fire makes fine steel. हम बहुत क्लोज करें समझो बच्चों को, they won't listen the words of teacher. So there Abraham Lincoln is giving one good example, because only the test of fire makes fine steel. फायर से उसको टेस्ट करने के बाद ही स्टील क्या हो जाता, उसका एक स्ट्रक्चर बन जाता. सो बच्चों को पढ़ा पढ़ाने के बाद ही अंत में उसका एक ब्यूटीफुल स्ट्रक्चर हो जाता. सो यू अवेयर ऑफ दैट. You should be far away from the students, because only the test of fire makes fire steel. Let him have the courage to be impatient. He should have the courage. Let him have the patience to be brave. He should have the patience of brave. Teach him always to have sublime faith in himself. Sublime means supreme faith in himself. We should not believe on others. We should believe on ourselves. That is the sublime faith. Because then we will have sublime faith in mankind. If he had sublime faith in himself, then he had a sublime faith in mankind also. This is a big order, but see what you can do. He is such a fine little fellow, my son. But see what you can do means what you can teach to my child. He is such a little fellow is there. If we are going to teach him anything, he is going to learn. छोटा बच्चा कैसा पढ़ाते वैसा ही पढ़ता हो. He is going to learn. Why Abraham Lincoln is trying to write a letter to the teacher? Because if the teacher tells, teacher ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ವೇದವಾಕ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಂಬ್ತಾರೆ. That is the reason, that is the only reason the Abraham Lincoln wants to write a letter to his son's teacher. Agar Esau means all these are the harsh realities of life. जीवन के कटु सत्य है ये. You have learned, but every line, every word that is true, that is the harsh reality of life. So everything is true. That is the reason he wants to learn from the teacher. इसीलिए टीचर के थ्रू उसको पढ़ाने का था अब्राहम के उनके बच्चे को. So that is the reason he wrote a letter to his son. Read each and every line from the poem. It's very wonderful poem. the complete the harsh realities of the life Abraham Lincoln has been explained in this poem. Read out, and here we will discuss next exercise in the next class 10.